Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting your Replit app published on the Google Play Store. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your project inside Replit and head over to the top right corner where you'll see the publish option. Go ahead and click on that. And before you can move forward, you'll need to make your app live, which requires upgrading your plan. So once your project is successfully deployed, you'll be provided with a live URL. Copy that link because you'll need it in the next step. Now open your browser and search for something like convert website into mobile app, and you'll come across several platforms that can handle this. So for this example, let's use a tool like appmysite.com, and after landing on the website, click on start for free, then proceed by selecting create app. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your application. Feel free to choose anything you like. And after that, select the website to app option and paste the URL you copied from Replit. Continue by clicking on create app, and next customize your app's appearance by selecting a color theme that fits your brand. And once done, move to the previous section to see how your app will look on a mobile device. If everything does look good, click on download and then choose the option to build your Android app. Hit the build app button again and the platform will begin generating your APK file. And after the build process is complete, download the file to your device. Now it's time to publish your app. So click on the publish option, which will redirect you to the Google Play console. Sign in using your developer account or create one if you don't have it yet. Just keep in mind that Google charges a one-time registration fee of $25. And once you're inside the Play console, upload your APK file, fill in the required app details and submit it for review. After Google approves your app, it will be available on the Google Play Store. And that was the entire process. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.